Hey, I'm Becca with the HOTH, and we're going over the Content Readability Tool right now. The main purpose of this tool is to see if your web page is as close to an 8th grade reading standard as possible. That's the goal, at least. Google uses their metrics and has gauged that 8th grade is really the most user-appropriate reading standard as far as resource material goes. Another way of saying this, as close to an 8th grade reading level as possible is going to be a great thing for your website. What we do is just plug the URL of your site into this reading tool, hit View Readability Report, and then we get to see exactly what grade level we're at with some other metrics added in as well. So I have actually pulled up a couple different pages off our blog to view their readability when it comes to that 8th grade standard. The first one is 5 easy ways to get your video marketing strategy off the ground. I took this URL and I plugged it into our readability report and hit View Readability Report, this big red button here. It'll automatically pull up a couple different metrics. The main one we are concerned with is this reading ability grade level. Here you can see that we're at a grade level of 7, which is pretty close to 8th grade, so that's going to be a positive thing. We can even do this when we're dealing with larger and more difficult subjects too. So this is about video content and marketing strategies. You can see we also have something that can be a little bit more complex here, how to structure affiliate sites to optimize link building. And we put in their readability to find their readability report. And we found that we're actually even at a 6th grade reading level, showing that it can be a complex subject, but still have a lower readability grade level, which is going to be really, really important when trying to get to be ranked. So we also look at some other target metrics here too. So reading ease, 77.1 out of 100, average words per sentence, 14, average syllables per word, 1.4, percentage of big words, more than 3 syllables, 10.4. So these are some other standards and metrics you could take a look at too if you are a bit more interested in knowing those kind of averages, and if you have your own averages that you want to shoot towards. But overall, we are most concerned with this readability grade level. Being at the 8th grade is going to be most optimal for Google and their users' readability. Let me know if you have any questions or reach out to our support team. We're here to help, but hopefully this was a great overview.